Before I get to the fireworks, let me tell you about my 4th of July at Walt Disney World. Before you see that, you may want to check out all the rest of my trip up in the top corner. We decided as a group to go to Magic Kingdom on the 4th of July, as the park has special events only available once a year. This includes the Disney's Celebrate America, A Concert in the Sky, the special fireworks show for Independence Day. Although this sounds like an easy thing to do, it wasn't. We had to wake up at 6:30 AM to get ready and hop on a bus to Magic Kingdom. We had to ensure we were at Magic Kingdom as early as possible, as the park hits capacity once every year, only on the 4th of July. As the park was going to hit capacity, if we left, there would be no returning into the park. We got to the park, walked down Main Street and got breakfast. As the park was very busy, we decided to do more of the smaller rides and prepare for the long day in the Floridian heat. Our first ride of the day was Small World, an animatronic boat ride taking you through the countries of the world. We then went on the Liberty Bell riverboat, which lets you get an enhanced view of the main park attractions, including Splash Mountain and Big Thunder Mountain. After that, we went on Jungle Cruise, a boat journey on the Amazon River. Then we had lunch at the Harbour House. Then had fast passes for one of my favourite attractions at the Magic Kingdom, the Haunted Mansion. In my opinion, the decor of the ride is the best out of any attraction at Walt Disney World. The ride takes you through the mansion while travelling in dune buggies and meeting ghosts along the way. After the Haunted Mansion, we had some time to pass before our evening meal. We watched the parade and went on some smaller attractions, including the steam-powered train on the Walt Disney World Railroad. Our evening meal was a very special one, as we spent it at Be Our Guest restaurant from Beauty and the Beast. This restaurant was a replicated version from the ballroom in Beauty and the Beast, and the food was excellent. And after the meal, we got to meet Beast. Once we came out of our meal, it was time to pick our spot for the fireworks. We got into a prime spot between Tomorrowland and the castle at 8 o'clock, knowing that the fireworks would start at 9. It was now a waiting game.